Hello, my name is Marcie Doonan and I am at Unit 112 of the 𝐬𝐴 complex in Westside, Kamloops, British Columbia. This beautiful home is only 2 years old, so it still has some warranty left, but there's no GST to be paid, which is amazing. There's some gorgeous features and I just can't wait to show you the home. My name is Marcie Doonan. I'm with 𝐢𝐴 Realty and I'm a real estate agent here in Kamloops, British Columbia. Before we go any further, I just want to say welcome if you are new to my channel. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified of any of my new videos. Let's go check out Unit 112, 2575 Elston Drive of 𝐬𝐴 complex. This beautiful home is in the 𝐬𝐴 complex, which has a Bearland strata. The home features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the square footage is 2,304. This home is only 2 years old and still has plenty of new home warranty, but no GST. The windows make this home very bright, and if you wanted to make an in-law suite downstairs, you should be able to plumb one in. this home not gorgeous? I love it. It's beautiful. It's 1122575 Elston Drive in the Keegan Court complex. If you'd like to book a viewing, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is just above. And always remember, if you're thinking of moving, call Marcie Doonan. Cheers.